inside the airplane. Boom. So today we're finally gonna fix all of the mistakes that we did on the previous install of the pilot bearing, get on a couple of other mods. Look at this airplane. Look at this thing. I had to guide him in like an airplane. You don't want him to just lift off. We're gonna fix everything that was messed up and then just go ahead and install the final mods so we can button up. Ooh, he's bopping. What's going on, bro? Manny, you look super excited.
What up, man?
What's going on, bro? How's everything, man?
Good, man.
So, okay. We're gonna use Pop-Tarts to go ahead and pull out the old pilot bearing and maybe the actual pilot bearing removal tool. I did exactly what you asked.
What you should?
Yeah, I put it up on jack. Only thing that's missing is the hoist. Dude, the house is turning into a graveyard. We have 3 dead cars right now. You guys already saw in the previous video the Mustang that blew up, that
Fundio.
Herb. Yeah, Fundio. It moved pretty fast. It didn't take an L all day, except this one. We're gonna have big news for that baby right there. So we hooked Manny up. He got the yeah, right.
Is that a Tempur-Pedic?
That's a Tempur-Pedic, bro.
So the reason why we put the shortest guy in there is because we did a fair game of
he's not small, dude. He's cute.
Fun
yeah,
size.
right.
Fun size.
That's sizes, bro. So Manny's gonna go ahead. We did it the most fair way possible of deciding who's gonna go under the car.
1, 2, 3, not it.
1, 2, 3, not it. That was the way. Also, since we're here, thankfully they helped me out because I just wanted to make sure that I don't put the pulleys in the wrong place. I need the bolt for the tensioner. Thank you, bro. Tensioner. I have the new alternator as well too. We're gonna install the new motor mounts, the BDE motor mounts, and this motor is coming out yet again.
Last time, right?
Well, hopefully the last time. Well, actually, the next time will be for turbos.
It should probably be in like 500 miles.
Yeah.
Maybe 200.
You guys are just so dang like positive. Look at you guys. All right, well, let's get the boring stuff out the way. You guys have already seen this a million times. Finally, for like the 8th millionth time, the motor's back out fully with the trans. Manny's actually educating me on something. So apparently there was the trans cooler that I'm not gonna use because you know we manual gang out here. Well, so what your Captain Morgan stance? What do you? Okay.
I'm admiring the fitment on the hood there.
Okay, Manny's here to help me out about that because I didn't know about that. So we're just gonna loop the hose. I don't know, block it out. I don't know. That's,
yeah, just loop this line right here, all the way up here.
I was like, why are you letting me do the talking, bro? I'm like that. I'm the last one you want. I'm the last guy you want to explain this right now.
So this is 2 transmission, special trans.
All I see is weight reduction, brother.
Yeah.
There we go.
Pretty much.
Dude, Shine, you ready to get parked, dog?
Who's gonna park me?
Me, your dad. Let's get the trans off so that way we can fix a certain individual's mistakey dicks.
To be fair.
Oh, here we go. What?
It was very confusing.
Yeah.
We spent a good week trying to figure out what the heck Nissan was doing because in the actual. When we're looking at the, what do we call those things? TSM?
So while he tries to explain his boo-boo, which I'm not gonna let him.
When we go to the ESMs, it says
we're just gonna get started.
Adapter, and it gives that metal bearing.
And we're gonna finish the.
But you gotta remove it.
The pilot bearing.
The piling bearing.
So piling.
Gotta,
see, look now.
Oh my goodness.
I don't understand how you messed up the pilot bearing when you have such a massive wing on your car. You're already a pilot.
I didn't.
All right, one eternity later. Yeah, us bright people over here, we didn't take out the automatic pilot bearing first before putting in the new bronze copper one for VHR to make it manual. I wonder why. Have you used this tool before? Have you done it?
This one? No, I just bought it from Harbor Freight.
Well, let's see if it actually works. Oh yeah, right? Looks like Pinocchio.
What? Nope, they don't even fit.
Won't even fit. So because we have that other one in there, it's not gonna work, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So you know what that means? It's gonna have to get that Dremel.
Yes, and start boring it out so we can fit this.
Yes. I'm getting in the hole. Like, feel me just like playing with the hole. Sharon, I'm playing with the hole, brother.
Wait, stop.
For what?
Stop.
For what?
I have an idea.
Wait, it's almost
I think it's done. I think it's done. Watch.
Are you sure?
Stop.
I just like playing with the hole, Sharon. I like playing with the hole, Sharon. Jeez, bro, just let me play with the hole. Thank you, Manny. That was honestly some excellent recording skills. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm sure you did great. Nah, see, it's in there. You're right.
A little more, right?
Oh, a little more? What happened? See, I told you I couldn't. I should have just kept stopping.
Working right?
It's doing something. I know this one isn't gripped, but whatever. It's kind of pushed out, so it's helping at this point.
Looks like it's just pulling out only the copper piece.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
Because we got to get that out first.
I really bored that hole, brother. I was in there.
wonder what Cletus would say if he sees us doing this.
Oh, it's out.
Hell yeah, brother.
Now it's like if we were back to normal. Now we're on our way to the parts store because
he can't get anything right.
Yeah, so, okay. It was my fault. All right, whatever. Let's go. Let's head in the car. Road trip, family trip. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, we
family
are.
trip. All right, Miguel, you got engine watch duty, okay? I believe in you. What?
What days do the trash men come?
Why? Because they can take my car?
No, I'm asking.
Why? I don't know. I think it's Wednesday.
Why is the trash out already? The Mustang?
Wow, you're such a dude. Like, you're such a jerk, bro. Family road trip? Wait, where are we going?
I don't know. You're going right.
Yeah, I'm like, AutoZone? AutoZone it is, bro. All right, so we finally got the tool, bro. Manny, where are you, bro? You're still like, bro, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? We out here.
6 foot gang.
Bro, 6 foot gang, baby. You know, I'm talking about my height, son. Hey, watch yourself. Hey, I go first.
Why would you go first? It's his right away.
I know. I go first, okay?
That's a nice Challenger.
It is, but I go first. Hey, I don't want to go between your legs. Not on camera. But can you hand me that little box right there?
Oh. Yesterday, Manny went between my legs to get a flower.
Wow, okay. Come on. Not on camera, dude. Oh. Come on, bro. Why you gotta expose a guy like that, bro?
Look at that pigeon.
He has a family, dude. Dude, these pigeons, I'm telling you, this
evolving. Look at it.
The CIA is watching. Oh, that's not no pigeon, dog. Come on. So we got the pilot bearing removal tool that we rented from. We actually went to Advanced Auto Parts. Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean AutoZone?
Some guy was.
No, it was AutoZone. Some guy, whatever. I'm not even gonna tell.
Yeah, we messed up.
So we're gonna head back and hopefully we don't break this because I actually had to rent this and I paid hard-earned money for that. All right, dude. There's a technique. No, you're gonna break my door, dude. Look. I swear.
Oh my god.
What is wrong with you? Oh, did I just lock it? I did. Okay. Damn it. Why is it one now? I'm trying to do it. Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Sean!
I got it.
Thank you, bro. Look, watch this, bro. If I do this right now, you're a weenie. You ready? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You're not gonna get any of it on camera.
Oh, you son of a
That's definitely gonna work.
I hope so.
This one looks beefier, too.
I don't know about that. Oh, my fudge bottoms. Is it coming out? What kind of useless tool is this?
Really, dude?
It's
Is it?
But it's something to like lock it in place. Yeah, your hand's there.
This is what it's come to?
I have a feeling it's gonna
power?
snap and break everything in my finger.
You guys can't like lock it on the motor? Why is it, there's so much of a gap?
What do you mean it's not touching?
No, it's not. Listen, look, it's a gap here. That's why it's spinning.
While they're figuring that out, I went ahead and put in one of the motor mounts already. I just want to kind of show like a side-by-side comparison. OEM, all right? And then the BD one. Pretty noticeable difference. So I'm already got one off, like I said. Gonna get this other one now, and then hopefully we can figure out that pilot bearing issue because it looks like it's becoming a headache. Yo,
you guys never listen to
Broken Harbor Freight.
This time I'm 100-100.
No, dude, 50-50.
No, 50-50.
What do you mean? What? Who was right? Who was right in the end?
He was.
Oh wow!
But it took a Broken Harbor Freight tool, a Dremel, Allah, and an engine.
We got it out, boys. Now the easy part is just getting the
easy part.
The easy part. Easy part. It's out. I don't know if are you guys gonna really tell them the ghetto crap you guys did to make this work? You don't care?
It wasn't ghetto.
What? Here we go. So time to. It looks like a lunch, but. So pilot bearing was in here with an ice pack. Thank you, Cheyenne. Get this piece of crap out the way. Joe Tango. Wow, this is a lot easier than the first time. Yo.
Keep going. Keep going. I'll stop. A little more.
That's it.
Nice. That's
okay.
It. Wow, that was a lot easier. Good job.
Damn, bro.
That was a lot easier than the bro. You were there for the first time. You saw how bad that was. Good job. We did it, guys. Yeah. All right. So now we get to put back the clutch pressure plate. What are you doing? Are you cooling your balls?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, I'm so stupid. Did you just see? I literally just tried to blow a fly off my camera.
Wow. Oh!
Finally, legit, boys. We're not living in the hood. Did you just chuck that into my car? We put everything back together, put it back in the car, and then also the motor mounts are in. We're at like a good pace right now, and Manny has to go home because he doesn't like hanging out with us. It's more of like a chore. That's why he's here.
No, man.
He was like, oh, let me just help these peasants out real quick.
Yeah, before you guys screw something up more.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I'm like, damn, I wish Manny was here right now because I'd be dying right now. Not that Cheyenne isn't good. So we're going back to Discount Auto Parts to turn back in that part, get my money back, buy some brake cleaner.
That we didn't. Yeah.
Good job. That way we can clean up the flywheel, and so Cheyenne can have a little bit more peace of mind.
So we did everything right this time. Not highly a performance, not Pinto spec. We removed all the. What happened?
What?
What's going on? What are you doing with that camera? Do I have to teach you how to hold a camera?
What is wrong with you, bro?
Get me out of this shit.
Oh, that's right. Dude, there's a technique.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Little toots for the vlog.
That was my mouth.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it wasn't.
That was your butthole.
No.
You happy now, brother? Are we really making a third trip to Advanced Auto because we don't have an alignment tool?
Auto zone, so they don't recognize us?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Oh my god. They don't have an alignment tool for the clutch.
We honestly forgot.
And now we're doing a third trip to the part store, but okay. Alright, I mean, whatever. It is what it is. So, motor mounts are on, baby. Yay! So, these, yeah, we're ready to go. Pressure plate, clutch, everything's already on.
Go up. What you're gonna do is
Bearings fixed thanks to these guys. And now we're back to high Leah performance on trying to make the transmission go back onto the actual block. Then we should be good to go with putting the motor and trans back in the car. Then I put on drive shaft. There's no exhaust, so I gotta order some downpipes, and that's it. I'm finally gonna cut this. Okay. You ready? We're doing this. This is the last time I'm doing it like this. If I have to pull this motor out for the downpipes, yep, that's it. Ready? Oh, this is very anticlimactic. Okay, you can do it. You can do it.
Fast forward.
Right? That's it. Boom. That's it. We're probably gonna have to pull this out one more time because maybe the downpipes might be an issue to put in the car with the motor actually in the car. It's possible.
You cut the wrong one. Oh no, you did. Okay.
Wow, no faith, bro. It's just this one's jammed. Oh my god, really? Just stuck. Honestly, I'm just happy because this is like we're heading towards the final steps of this. Won't be so much of a nightmare anymore, but thanks to Manny and Cheyenne, we were able to help out. Now I need to start buttoning up the car. They're gonna help me out with a couple of things that are missing, but it's all minor stuff like bolts. All right, can you guys explain to me what the hell just happened? Because we just like literally, this was like Lego blocks and a lot of unplugging and plugging.
Heater goes, bolts up. Evap system, minor work. If we didn't decide to use the OEM bracket, we can make it fit like perfectly under here, but we want to see if we can make
the evap, all we did was took the one off the queue and that canister and made it work.
The fuel line works.
Fuel line works, but you pull the fuel line off this motor and attach it to the Z's OEM area, and it bolts right up, and it's the same. Actually, where do we have the piece? Oh, please hold. The bottom piece that went to the actual hard line on the car was identical, and it just literally went like this. And then
the harness when it
the harness it
connects. Obviously it's going to be repinned and stuff. We're going to make sure we're just plugging it in to protect it for water.
Ground here, the ground back here.
Yeah, we gotta change that. Well, I need another bolt for this one, but the ground over here, perfect.
Brake booster done.
brake booster. Yeah.
The only alternator done. Well, minus the bracket.
Oh yeah, the wired in. I didn't show you guys this, but the alternator, I got that in. So well, they got that in, and just needs a bracket.
I think we need one more bracket for one pulley here. Yeah, I remember.
It just goes straight to the stock position right here.
And then the
starter is the same.
Yeah, the only thing that's off is the AC.
Yeah, the AC, so it doesn't line up perfect, but with a little bit of fab work, it should be fine. So I'm not really worried about that. That's actually really easy. Guys, everything lines up incredibly well. Just with like a little bit of building blocks, you're kind of like ripping from one thing to another, but
mixing and matching between the two engines. We're mixing and matching between the two engines.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily buying anything.
The coolant hoses line up perfect too. So
gotta figure out what put this on.
Am I just gonna have to plug this?
We'll do this next time.
That goes somewhere.
No, this is for the...
Another day.
I think this goes to the reservoir.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
So
we gotta loop these holes here.
Here we gotta loop this line. We gotta get a hose to loop over there, but to make sure that it close. What's this? That's the A for the AC, right? This?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we have to make sure it clears.
So we gotta make sure it clears that. But overall, man, dude, this is really nice. Would you say easiest motor swap ever?
For swapping motors that's not supposed to be in the chassis?
Yeah, it's easy.
I think I'm gonna call it a day here. I'm sorry again that it's just another motor pulling video. In the end of the day, that's it. It's the last one. Oh, and then also you can put racing downpipes on this car, like with the motor in the car, easy. It's not that. Well, let me not say easy because I haven't done it yet. So far you have a lot more space. It's not like you're putting the OEM downpipes, which have really fat cats. So we're good to go. So I would thank you guys for watching. This is the last part of just like putting in the motor and finagling. I'm gonna put in the drive shaft. These people gotta go home and call it a day, brother. Yeah. Pilot bearings fixed. Good job. You're such a jerk. He's such a nice guy. You guys balance each other.
And you're a gypsy.
What? All right. Next video.